Alright, hi everyone, and welcome to the video. This is tutorial number 2. In this video, we are going to learn how to create databases on MongoDB using Python. So in the first video, I showed you how to create or how to install MongoDB on a Mac OS, what are the software needed, and I gave you just a general introduction. So in the second video, we are going to basically create a database. So before creating database, go to your terminal and make sure to type this command so that the MongoDB is running, mongod. So when you run this, you should see something like this connected to the network. That means you have connected to your MongoDB server. Make sure to also open a MongoDB Compass basically to see the database. It's like a SQLite browser. All right, once you have done, open your PyCharm, IntelliJ, whatever you want, and let's get started. So first of all, we need to do import sys. We do import PyMongo. All right. I'm gonna say from pymongo dot errors import connection failures. All right, and that's it. I think one more thing that we need to import is from pymongo import. Let me increase the font so it's visible, everyone. So from pymongo import mongo client. So I'm gonna define a function connect to the database. All right, so I'm gonna say Mongo client. I'm gonna leave this blank because by default it's gonna connect to the local server, and after creating a client, what I need to do is basically I need to insert some kind of data, or I need to create I need to name my database, right? So I'm gonna say mydb equals to my client, name it as my database. Now everyone, you guys know who has done databases has certain tables, right? Tables corresponds to collections or collections here. So basically just think this of a basically you're replacing tables by collections. So just there's a name change. Instead of calling tables, you say collections. All right, so let us create the collections. The way you do that, mydb, I'm gonna name that as all right. I need some data to insert into that, so I'm just gonna grab this data real quick. All right, so and I'm gonna paste this data. This is basically a dummy data. I'm gonna insert the data. So to do that, I'm gonna say my call dot, is it insert? I'm not sure. Dot insert one. Yep, that's correct. And I'm gonna say my detect. All right, so basically I've inserted my first data inside the MongoDB. MongoDB works similar to JSON or a dictionary basically. So just gonna improve my code a little bit. So I'm gonna say a try block, indent this a little bit. I'm gonna say an except block, connection failures. I'm gonna say cannot connect to MongoDB. So basically I'm just writing a beta code. So one line after that, two lines after that, one line after that, a little bit neat. All right, that looks good. All right, so we have inserted our data and we can just say all right, I can say data inserted into MongoDB. Now I need to run this. All right, so this should work hopefully. So hopefully I don't go into any error. Data was inserted on MongoDB. So let's refresh, come to MongoDB Compass. So if I refresh this, I see I have a new basically name known as a database. So if I open, it has something known as customers, which is nothing but I just said the collection name. So if I open it, so here you see I have a data here in the database. Let me try to insert one more data. Sawmill get. All right, so I've inserted some few data inside. Let's just refresh this. Hopefully I should get it. If I did everything correctly, then yeah, I should get it. All right, so yeah, so it takes a while, and it's uploaded on the database. Here you see my Mongo DB. Now if I want to see, who's there in the database, I can do a query. So I'm also going to teach you that in Python, but first I want to get you guys acquainted with the UI, or that is the MongoDB compass. So I can just pass in a dictionary here. Oops. Okay, so the query works like this. So I'm gonna find name, which is a string, and I want to find name where it's sawmill. If I say find, and sure enough, it found me the data. I could also get specific data if I just want the name or address. If I don't want everything, I can further specify my query commands on MongoDB. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and in the next video we are gonna learn couple of more steps for the MongoDB. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as usual, if you have any question, concerns, or doubt, do let me know by commenting on the video, and subscribe to me if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the tutorial number 3. Thank you so much. Let's stop the video right here.